Let's make something quick. An Instagram square post, and it's Halloween, so let's go for a little party invitation. I need to change the date. When I first click the text, I'm only in the group, and if I don't want to ungroup here, I can click the text again. Now I'm only on the date, and I can press Enter to edit, or just click again. It needs a bit of something. A ghost, maybe a spider. I'll do a search of design assets. Okay, it's not my best idea, but I can work with this. What I need is duotone effects, and I can explore different combinations to make the spider look more at home with the design colours. Often the suggested colour combinations work, but if they don't, I can go into custom and choose my own colours. I can do the same with the spider's web. I can't resist adding a little more personality. I'll duplicate the spider web with Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Change the duotone colour and then drag it below the first web. With my keyboard arrows, I'll offset it so it looks a bit like a drop shadow or glitch effect. 3 or 4 moves down and to the right should do it. I'll do the same with the spider. It'll make it feel more scary. No, it will, honest. I'm on a roll now, so the ghost can get the same treatment. But as the ghost is a nice white, I'll add 2 coloured shadows, moving them with the arrow keys until I think it looks all right. This isn't really happening, but I'll add a time and my YouTube channel as if I'm having a blooming great online bash.